Introducing the HiBREW H7B coffee machine. Let's make an iced coffee. Today, we're making a refreshing iced coffee using the powerful and elegant HiBREW H7B coffee machine. Let's start with the most important part, the beans. Add your fresh coffee beans into the grinder. Choose your preferred grind size, then start grinding. The aroma of fresh ground coffee is always the first step to a great cup. Once your coffee is ground to perfection, fill the portafilter handle with the coffee powder. Then, use a tamper to press it down evenly. This helps achieve a rich and balanced extraction. Now, it's time to power on the HiBREW H7B. Once it's warmed up, insert the handle into the machine and lock it into place. Start the extraction and let the machine do its magic. As the coffee brews, you can prepare your cup. Fill it with ice, the more the better if you love it chilled. Once the extraction is done, pour your hot espresso over the ice for that perfect iced coffee blend. And that's it. A bold, smooth, and refreshing iced coffee made easily at home with your HiBREW H7B coffee machine. Enjoy every sip. HiBREW makes it simple to brew like a pro.